You can order the taillight used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Honda Accord Car Battery. Pull on the trunk release handle and open the trunk. In order to change the taillight on your vehicle, you will need to remove the rear bumper cover to have full access. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Rear Bumper Cover Honda Accord. Unscrew the plastic rivet that holds the trunk carpet using a Phillips screwdriver, and then remove it with a flathead screwdriver. Then shift the trunk carpet. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the taillight assembly. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 taillight retaining nuts. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the taillight to the metal bracket. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 bolts holding the metal bracket to the body. You can now remove the light. Start by removing the seal. Next, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws holding the LED module's plastic cover. Disconnect the LED module's power connectors. Then, remove the cables from the plastic cover. Remove the plastic cover and the LED module. Then disassemble the whole. Disconnect the LED module's power connectors. Then remove the cables from their guide. You can now remove the LED module. Retrieve the taillight bulb if not supplied with the new one.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the taillight in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new taillight. Remove the new seal. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Take the LED module. Reconnect the LED module's electrical connectors. Clip the cables back into their guide. Then, put the module back into the plastic cover. Reinsert the assembly into the taillight. Reconnect the electrical connection. Clip the cables back into the plastic cover. Then screw the 4 retaining screws back in. Put the seal back in place. Put the light back in. Screw the 4 taillight retaining nuts back on. Put the metal bracket back in place. Then screw the 2 bolts back on. Then, retighten the retaining screw. Reconnect the electrical connectors to the taillight assembly. Put the trunk carpet back in place. Put the rivet back in place. Put the rear bumper cover back in place. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Rear Bumper Cover Honda Accord. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.